Everyone loves a beautiful, fresh head of lettuce, including bunnies, sometimes birds and deer, and a bunch of other pests, even gophers sometimes. So, how do you protect your beautiful heads of lettuce so that they can actually get to this size? I have free-ranging chickens, so that's always my challenge, but you might have things like bunnies or other, even squirrels sometimes will take a nibble at our plants. So, an easy way to protect them is by making a cloche. So you can purchase cloches online, but they're super easy to make. You just need to get some chicken wire, and then you basically just bend it into this circular shape, and then fold down the top part to make it fully enclosed. And how they work, you just slip them over your plants like this. Make sure you tuck all those beautiful leaves in. And they're just gonna sit on there and help protect it from all of those little hungry critters. So what's great is that these pots are actually almost the exact size. So then what I do is I just take it and I bend it to tighten it just a little bit more. And it actually just holds right on the pot. Isn't that cool? It's so easy, and yes, they might be able to nibble a little bit at those leaves, but it's really going to help protect that beautiful head of lettuce until you're the one that's ready to enjoy it. So don't let your plants get eaten by critters other than you. Make sure you save that harvest. Sure, you can share a little here and there, but make sure you're getting the good stuff by protecting your plants.